Get the rate for them haters, now we got debaters. I don't use Apple, I love some Snapple. Some say your team is big, I say dream big. Hey, dream big. Hey, dream big. Hey, dream big. Dream big.
Ooh.
Hey! I gotta sing a song. No, I'll go first. You gotta sing your favorite part of the song. Okay? You gotta sing medicine first, okay? No. Okay, first. Dang, it's Tigers versus the Raiders. It's Suns versus Raiders. It's Suns. Jay, go first. Come back. So you're gonna be looking at us, okay? You can't come back in.
Okay, number
Okay?
3.
Which one? You're staying in here. Just wait. You can't come back in. You can't come back in. Oh, right.
That's first quarter.
Do the floss. He was just doing the floss right.
Good tackle, number 3. Ooh. Ooh, he makes it in there.
Touchdown, Tigers.
You gotta count down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Go up to the first one! Go up to the first one! Can you hear me? Can you hear us? Do slow clap if you can hear us. Do a slow clap if you can hear us. A 2019 style. A 2019 style. Go away.
Ooh. Oh,
Holy cow.
that was nice.
This is a local, so now the Browns aren't on, this is a local listing, so the event is going to be the Steelers in Jacksonville. Oh, so we're going to put them. I said, I bet you Le'Veon Bell will, I bet you, I give some straight up advice, no matter how much of an idiot I think he is James Harrison.
They're looking at all of us, one more year of health and all that, but still,
Why are you wearing I'm so tired. I was having
Stay down.
But you shouldn't be losing. Well, that kid again.
There's that big fast kid.
Holding.
Go ahead, keep running. The clock's going. Why don't they give it to that kid every time?
Hold your you had done. This is what something I'll think about. Now, whether he knew he took the car, whether he knew he took the car, but okay, but you leave access to your keys being around. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, he picked it up, and he's going the wrong way.
You gonna keep the mean face? Or you gonna smile? You gonna smile? Yeah. Ooh.
She'll come at like 9.
I know what you mean. You know what? That's funny you say that. Come out.
Make sure that's how.
Ooh, okay, number 3. You've been making plays all day.
Greg. She said, Greg, have you talked to so-and-so? Like, who mom, or I talked to her before? First down.
We got a good game here.
Just hoping the pain goes away.
Right. Hold on to that ball.
Hard taste for it.
You
after
do.
a while with certain, like you said, it's not even an
They,
expense thing on how good it is.
right.
Just take us. I don't know. I think I'd be drinking.
Oh, you like the go.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Kids in here, right?
Nah.
Love it. You got to.
Anyway.
Right, yeah, definitely.
Oh shoot.
Oh.
Oh, and then he said, "What's up?"
Kevin.
Years is going to be tough. That group when
Yeah.
they're coming up.
Because you know what it is, it's just keep them together.
Yeah.
That's the key. Is you.
Classes.
Okay, so that's
Gabe's
what I
class,
heard.
that junior class,
I heard
is
that.
weak as hell.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the little dude.
Ooh, I seen that.
Back. Oh, penalty.
Cat right here keeps looking at the clock, making sure it's going.
Oh, the light skinned dude. That's
Yeah.
it. Oh, fumble recovery. Who got it?
Oh, damn.
Well, they fighting up for it though.
Who got it? Fourth down.
Number 3.
You literally got 11 kids.
That's how I got wind of this.
Oh, okay.
When it-
Stop! For real!
Oh,
Backwards pass, get it.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, it's
Stop! For real! You're gonna slap you.
Pick it.
Oh.
oh.
Oh, it went off. Go. Quit running to this side. That dude's gonna kill you. Hey, alright, that's enough. Go ahead out of here. We don't need wrestling and fighting around in
There it
here.
is.
Ooh, good run.
Touchdown. Touchdown, Tigers. Hubbard, but look, he had to take him down one time. He went to Hubbard, and they made him.
Give it to the big kid.
Oh man.
Oh,
Oh.
that's a game-saving tackle. Have to play together, man. It is all this game going to come down to the wire.
Get him.
Oh, he might have a corner.
He does.
He might have a corner.
Oh, inbounds too. There you go.
This game coming down to the end.
Oh, quit giving it to that kid.
Oh.
Oh,
no.
that's right.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh, he gonna get it. He got first. That's what
I
I'm
hope
saying. Oh, right up the middle. Ooh.
Someone slip it in and hand it down.
Mm.
Oh, good reverse. They gave it to that number 1. I thought he was hurt.
Uh-oh, thought he was hurt. He hit the corner.
Oh.
He's out.
Out of bounds. Clock stopped. 8. Shotgun. Oh, false start. Taking him back.
18 seconds left.
Oh!
They on it.
That's your game.
They ain't got no timeout?
I ain't got no timeouts.
Oh, they got.
He got the snap off. There goes the ball. Did he get it off in time? That's a touchdown.
Did he?
What the refs ain't saying nothing?
Did he get the snap off?
Lion, here you go, coach. Thank you. Hey, son, I have one question. Who are we? Son! 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 All right, I need y'all to, son, who are we?